Welcome to this week's State of the Escritoire. So this week we've got two new packages to open, but before we do that, we've got this is the final pen that I was reviewing for Brownie. This is the Patriot Pen Turner bespoke resin pen. This thing is oversized, massive, beautiful, gorgeous resin. It makes me feel like a stately king when I'm using this thing. So this was a nice writer. Let's keep moving on. Let's see. I have used the Droom Goals Discovery Green here. Let me show you that. This was one of the first inks I was super excited for from Hellcat, so I was able to go ahead and run through two Con 40s or so of that. So I love the KWZ Green. Let's see, I've also been using Kujaku, Pilated Roshizuku Kujaku, and it goes great with this River City pen. It is a beautiful, beautiful ink. All right, and as you can see, I've gone through, come on, there we go. About half of my converter goes to about there. So I've gone through about half of my converter here of, this is a bigger converter, closer to a Con 72. And that is a great, great ink. I'm going to keep that in here until I run out. And then I've also got our Zizo cleaned out for something new. So we'll decide what inks we're going to roll with this week later on. Oh yeah, what else? I cleaned out the Retro 51 too. So side note, these things can go up in value just because of the rarity of each one. So when it first comes out, it's not too expensive, but you know, I guess each year or whatever, they have different ones. So if you have a certain one that like this one, actually some people are trying to sell for insane amounts on eBay already. Other people are just selling it for $20 or so over what I paid for it still, but I'm going to hold on to this, and I have the matching rollerball too. So this thing could be worth something in the future as a set, at least, you know, more than what I paid for it. So that's kind of intriguing, and I didn't expect that from a cheaper pen. But I guess that's what you get with limited runs. So we also cleaned out this Retro 51. That's a medium, so we'll put something new in that. So what do we got? 1, 2, 3... yeah, like 3 or 4 pens ready for new ink. All right, let's get to the new stuff real quick. Alrighty, so our first cool package here is the bigger one. We're going straight for the big one. So because I got my fancier letters and stuff like that, I went ahead and ordered something else to make my stationery extra special. Well, it's wrapped very well, so kudos there. Okay. All right. This is a nice box. So I got some sealing wax to really make my stationery go above and beyond. So this looks like it's got a nice little box here with that lock there. Gonna open it up, and we've got some wax. I have some custom wax that's on the way, but this will do in the meantime. And got some instructions there. Got my nice my nice stamp there. So that's cool. All right, and here is our little component. So basically the premise here is you're gonna put a little candle under there. You're gonna put some wax in this, and then you heat up the spoon over the candle, and then it melts. You pour it on your letter, and then you use your stamp here, which attaches to this. So you attach that stamp, and then you smush it into the wax, and then you're good to go. So that's going to be a fun addition when I get around to writing my next letter. Awesome. That's going to be really, really cool. And our next little thing for the Escritoire is, where is it? There we go. Okay, we got another little pen stand here. This one was one of the cheaper ones as well. Better than the crab. And it keeps in theme with the octopus. This one is, drumroll please, an awesome lobster. That's cool. I like how it's definitely a lot wider than the other one there. The scorpion, let's try it out. Oh yeah, look at that. That's sweet. Cool. Yeah, that's much better balanced. Wobbly? Nope, not wobbly. Good, good. Okay, let's try. Heck, let's try the oversized pen here. Oh wow, even the oversized pen fits. How well does it fit? Let's look. It still fits. Doesn't always, go all the way down. Let's try, here you go. Let's try the Zizo. That's nice. Nice. So that kind of standard-ish girth fountain pens will fit just fine on that. That is a cool little addition. Definitely liking that so far. All right, so I have a special guest star. My daughter is here to help me choose what ink is. I've got probably 2 or 3 inks that I can choose from Hellcat's donations, and this is the first one that we're looking up. Cold Steel. What do you think?
I think it is pretty.
It's pretty blue. Okay, let's check out the next one.
It's really pretty.
Next one is Birmingham Waterfront
I like
Dusk.
that one a little more than the last.
Okay, kind of purple. So maybe we'll do that one there. So that's definitely one to try. Let's check out Petroleum while we're here. Ooh, Petroleum's cool. What do you think about that one?
Looks like teal.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Although I have the Kujaku, which is already teal, that's in my other pen, so maybe we'll do this one after. Okay, let's see what else we could do. We've got Violet Blackberry. That could be cool. Lamy ink. What do you think about that one? Yeah, let's pull it up.
Looks like
Kind of a dark purple. Well, it's called Blackberry.
outer space.
Does you think kind of outer space? It does kind of have a gold sheen. So it's kind of a blackberry, purpley with a gold sheen, green sheen. Gold sheen. Okay. What do you think about that one? Pretty good. Okay. Save it for later.
I would say save it for later.
Save it for later. Okay. Let's do our next one. We've got Roman Bronze Oxidation. This is like another teal. Nice teal. Well, I guess I'm going to save the teals until I'm done with the Kujaku. And then we'll load up that one. Let's try Four Peaks Purple. Ooh. This could be a nice purple.
There
we go.
That's really pretty purple.
So maybe we'll try the purple. It'll go well with some other colors that we have too. All right. Well packaged, Hellcat. Nice job with the tape. Nothing leaked or anything in the mail, so that's great. I'm going to try and copy your same methodology when I send your package. All right, so we've got our purple. Now, it would have gone great in this pen, but I'm about to clean it and send it back. So
I think it would be best this one.
that one there? Okay. Alrighty. So we'll take that one out. That one we cleaned. There we go. Here, let's bring our little pen stand forward. Okay, we gotta shake it up, shake it up. Here, you wanna help me? Be a guest shaker. Come here. Shake it up over here. Just, there you go. Yeah. Nice. Great job. Okay. Now, we could just fill the converter, but if I can, I like to fill the whole nib. It gets everything nice and wet and juicy without having to try and prime anything. Now we've got our ink. Let's clean up our excess. Ooh. Nice. I'll get a Q-tip from earlier, clean off the nib there. This is a nice Nemesine nib. I actually got this from Brownie. Beautiful. Okay. Let's cap this up and give it a try. Got a drop on my hands, but that's part of the hobby. Four Peaks Purple, and this is out of a Nemesine, I think it's a 1.1 stub. Get some hash marks. Everybody's always got to do hash marks, right? Boom. All right. Four Peaks Purple, 1.1 stub. I like this. It's a nice purple. My last purple, the Hayabusa, was almost, it was great for like a holiday note. Great for Easter notes and such, but it's a little bit too shimmery on the daily, so this is going to be a nice purple that I can actually use and enjoy. Well, if you're still here with me, thank you. you can come with me on the next part of my journey. Little octopus to match that guy up there. This is actually from Tropic Isle Aquarium. If you're into aquariums, definitely stop in. They're in Massachusetts, but you can actually buy pretty much anything you want from a fresh or saltwater aquarium. Anyway, if you've stuck with me, this is my ink journal where I test every different ink that I can. I keep, obviously, like a log type thing. So we're going to go ahead over to purple. This was the previous Colorverse Hayabusa purple. Like I said, a little bit too sparkly for me on the everyday. So we're going to go ahead and give our Four Peaks purple a go. Okay. Here we go. So I always start with the ink up top. Let's zoom in so you guys can see. Zoom. All right, so our ink is Karas Four Peaks purple. Cool. Okay. Now we always do the swatch over there. We'll do that in a little bit. I'm just going to go ahead and give our alphabet a go. And Z. There we go. Sphinx of Black Quartz. Judge My Vow. Sounds like something out of Lord of the Rings. All right, and let's do our pen. Our pen is this is a Zizo. We are using a Zizo Maestro. My daughter joined me again in the background. Zizo Maestro, and this is a 1.1 stub. It's a Nemesine with a stock Zizo feed. Go ahead and do our swatch. So I like to do 2 to 3, and then I actually use the feed. I'll just go ahead and get it all around. Wait till that dries in a little bit, and then we will show you and probably say goodnight for this state of the Escritoire. Thank you for staying with us and joining us for this week's State of the Escritoire. And we will update you as things happen. And thank you to my special guest star, my lovely daughter. You want to say bye?
Bye.